Hey San Francisco job hunters, want to land your dream gig in 2025? AI skills are your golden ticket. Companies here in the Bay Area and beyond are begging for folks who can team up with machines. Think about it. AI is like having a super-powered intern who can crank out tasks at warp speed, but someone's got to be in the driver's seat, right? That's where you come in. In the next 9 minutes, I'll walk you through 8 must-have AI skills to get hired fast. Stick around because this could change your career game. Alright, first up is mastering the art of chatting with AI. Now I'm not talking about having a heart-to-heart with your smart speaker, I'm talking about using tools like ChatGPT to skyrocket your productivity. Imagine this. You're knee-deep in job applications, each one asking for a tailored cover letter. It's enough to make anyone want to scream into the void, right? But what if you could knock out these cover letters in minutes, not hours? That's the power of AI chatbots. Think of it like having a writing buddy available 24/7. Need help brainstorming ideas for a project? Feed the prompt to ChatGPT. Struggling to find the perfect words for an important email? ChatGPT to the rescue. It's like having a superpower that turns you into a productivity machine. And the best part? These tools are becoming more intuitive by the day. It's like having a conversation with a colleague, except this colleague has access to a vast database of knowledge and can generate human-quality text in a snap. So, if you're not already leveraging AI for writing, now's the time to jump in and level up your game. Trust me, once you experience the magic of AI-powered writing, there's no going back. Let's face it, data is everywhere these days. It's like the digital exhaust of our modern world. But here's the thing. Data on its own is just a bunch of numbers and figures. It's like looking at a jigsaw puzzle without the picture on the box. Confusing, right? That's where AI comes in. AI tools are like the ultimate puzzle solvers. They can sift through mountains of data and uncover hidden patterns and trends that would make your head spin. It's like having an army of analysts working around the clock to make sense of it all. Imagine being able to predict customer behavior, identify market trends before anyone else, or even optimize your marketing campaigns with laser precision. All thanks to AI's ability to unlock the secrets hidden within data. And the best part is that you don't need to be a data scientist to use these tools. Many AI-powered data analysis platforms are designed with user-friendliness in mind. They can take raw data and transform it into easy-to-understand charts, graphs, and reports. So, if you're not already using AI to make sense of your data, you're missing out on a goldmine of insights. Alright, let's talk about the art of the prompt. Because when it comes to working with AI, you can't just throw any old request at it and expect magic. It's like trying to order food in a foreign country without knowing a single word. You might end up with something you didn't expect. Think of AI as your super smart but slightly literal-minded assistant. To get the best results, you need to be clear, concise, and specific with your instructions. Instead of saying, "Write me a blog post about AI," try something like, "Write a 500-word blog post about the impact of AI on the job market," focusing on the skills needed to succeed. See the difference? The more detailed and specific your prompt, the better AI can understand what you're looking for and deliver results that align with your vision. It's all about learning how to speak AI's language, and the good news is that this skill is surprisingly easy to pick up. It's like learning a new language. The more you practice, the better you get. Start experimenting with different prompts and see what kind of results you get. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can become fluent in AI communication. Chapter 4. AI, your new project management guru. Let's be real. Project management can be a real drag. Keeping track of deadlines, managing tasks, and juggling multiple projects at once is enough to make anyone's head spin. But what if you had a secret weapon, a digital assistant that could take care of all the tedious stuff for you? Well, guess what? You do. AI-powered project management tools are here to revolutionize the way you work. These tools can help you stay organized, on track, and on top of your game. Imagine having an AI assistant that automatically schedules meetings, sends reminders about upcoming deadlines, and even helps you prioritize tasks based on their importance. And the best part is that many of these tools integrate seamlessly with other apps and platforms you're already using, like your calendar, email, and project management software. It's like having a personal assistant who lives inside your computer, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep your projects running smoothly. Chapter 5. AI Under the Hood. No geek degree required. Okay, so you don't need to be a coding whiz or a data science guru to use AI effectively. But it does help to have a basic understanding of how it works. Think of it like this: you don't need to be a mechanic to drive a car, but knowing a little bit about how the engine works can make you a better driver. The same goes for AI. Having a grasp of the fundamental concepts behind artificial intelligence like machine learning and deep learning can give you a huge advantage. It allows you to communicate more effectively with AI experts, understand the limitations of different AI tools, and make informed decisions about how to best leverage AI in your work. Don't worry, you don't need to enroll in a PhD program to get up to speed. There are tons of resources available online, from free courses to YouTube videos, that can give you a crash course in AI fundamentals. Trust me, a little bit of knowledge goes a long way in the world of AI. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. AI isn't perfect. As amazing as it is, AI can still make mistakes. Sometimes these mistakes are harmless and even a little funny. Other times they can have serious consequences. That's why it's crucial to develop your AI error spotting skills. Think of it like being an editor for a newspaper. Your job is to catch any errors before they go to print. The same goes for working with AI. You need to be able to look at the output generated by AI and determine whether it's accurate, reliable, and unbiased. This means being able to identify things like factual errors, logical fallacies, and even instances of bias. The good news is that the more you work with AI, the better you'll become at spotting these errors. It's like training your eye to catch typos in a document. You'll develop a sixth sense for when something doesn't look quite right. And remember, catching these errors isn't just about preventing mistakes. It's about ensuring that the AI we create is trustworthy and responsible. Let's face it, nobody enjoys spending their days on repetitive, mind-numbing tasks. It's like being stuck in a time warp of boredom. But what if you could delegate these soul-crushing tasks to a digital assistant who never complains and works 24/7? Well, guess what? You can. AI is a master of automation. It can handle all those tedious tasks that suck the life out of your workday, freeing you up to focus on more creative, challenging, and rewarding work. Think about all the things you could accomplish if you didn't have to spend hours every week on things like sorting emails, scheduling appointments, or entering data into spreadsheets. With AI automation, you can reclaim those lost hours and use them to pursue your passions, learn new skills, or simply take a well-deserved break. Here's the thing about AI, it's only as good as the data it's trained on. If the data is biased, the AI will be biased too, and that can have serious consequences, perpetuating existing inequalities and even causing harm. That's why it's so important to be mindful of AI fairness and bias. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it's our responsibility to ensure that it's used ethically and responsibly. This means being aware of potential biases in data, using tools and techniques to mitigate bias, and advocating for fairness and transparency in AI development and deployment. It's about making sure that AI benefits everyone, not just a select few. So there you have it, folks. 8 AI skills that can transform your career prospects and make you a highly sought-after candidate in the job market of 2025 and beyond. Remember, AI isn't just a buzzword, it's the future of work. By mastering these skills, you'll be positioning yourself at the forefront of this technological revolution. You'll be the one calling the shots, working alongside intelligent machines to achieve incredible things. San Francisco is a hub of innovation, a place where the impossible becomes possible. And with the power of AI at your fingertips, there's no limit to what you can achieve. So, what are you waiting for? Start developing your AI skills today, and get ready to ride the wave of the future.